Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a 2-balloon butterfly bracelet. For this shape, you're going to need your handy dandy balloon pump, two 260 size balloon twisting balloons. Links to both of those items can be found in the description below. You'll need a Sharpie for drawing the facial features, and you'll also need to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm. That's a great, small, and free way that you can show your support for my channel. You can also subscribe for more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Once you've gathered your supplies, let's get started. The first color I'm going to inflate are going to be the butterfly's wings, and I'm going to inflate this to about 5 finger lengths tail. It doesn't have to be too precise because we're going to be doing a quick break for this first balloon. These butterfly wings are going to consist of 4 loop twists or leaf twists, whatever you want to call them. My first 2 loop twists are going to be about 3 inches long. I'm going to bend the balloon down so that it's about 3 to 4 inches high, grab this nozzle with my thumb and index finger and put a little bit of pressure on the back side of this balloon as I use my free hand to lift this loop twist up and twist it around. To lock this in place, I'm going to stick the nozzle through the loop twist. Next, I'm going to create a loop twist this exact same size. Remember to give your balloon a good squeeze every once in a while if it feels tight. I'll fold the balloon down. Once I have a loop twist the same size as my first one, I'll put pressure on it with my thumb, lift up this loop twist with my free hand, and twist it around. These are going to be the 2 upper wings. Now I'm going to create 2 smaller loop twists for the bottom wings. So I'll make another loop twist by folding my balloon. I've got a much smaller loop twist right here than these other 2 on the sides. I'm going to put pressure on it with my thumb, lift this up, and twist it around. And to finish off these wings, I'm going to create 1 more loop twist this exact same size. So as you can see, we've got a little bit of excess purple balloon here. I'm going to do a quick break and then wrap whatever's left of this balloon around this joint as many times as I can so that it doesn't come undone. Now that we have a jumble of loop twists, we're going to orient it how we want it. We want these top 2 larger loop twists to be facing forwards, and for the bottom 2 loop twists to be kind of facing down and towards each other. These top loop twists are going to be sitting inside the creases of these smaller loop twists. Now it's time to add our butterfly body. For this, I'm going to inflate only about a 3-inch section. There we go. I'm going to twist a 1-inch bubble. You can keep pressure on the bottom of this as you're twisting your 1-inch bubble so that air doesn't continuously try to shoot down. That might make it easier for you to create this 1-inch bubble. Now we're going to turn this bubble into an ear twist, so I'm going to fold it down, hold onto this nozzle, and with my free hand, lift up this 1-inch bubble and twist it around. Now to attach these 2 pieces, I want to hold it where I want it to be, which is about right here. And I'm going to pull on this tail and wrap it around the back side of this butterfly wings and wrap it around the head. I'm going to be needing to use my other hand to hold this pink section in place. Now that I've pulled this section around the backside and wrapped it around the head, I'm going to wrap it around my bottom wings 1 more time just to make sure that it stays in place. Now we're going to create the bracelet part, which is basically just making a loop into here. So take the last 1 inch or 2 of your deflated balloon and wrap it around this joint in here. It's okay if your butterfly gets a little bit disfigured when you're doing this because at the end, you can always reorient it. All right, this is essentially your 2-balloon butterfly bracelet. All I'm going to do is add some facial features. And there you have your 2-balloon butterfly bracelet. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It's a super small, free way that you can show your support for my channel. You can also subscribe for more balloon tutorials, personal finance, and business tips. Let me know in the comments below what content you'd like to see next. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.